Good morning, student. Today we will start our basic introduction for quality and reliability engineering. We have total 8 topics and contents for quality, reliability and engineering. First is basic introduction, then second is total quality management, that is TQM, then design experiment, then time quality and management, and productivity, that is TPM, total productivity management. Then complementary trends, reliability. First, we have get total introduction to quality. What is quality? Then different dimensions of quality, inspections, and quality controls. Now we get start the basic concept of quality. Basic concept of quality, we need 6 points. First, quality. Second, quality control. Third, quality assurance. Fourth, quality management. Fifth, TQM, total quality management. And sixth, ISO system, Indian Standard Organization System. First, we have start what is quality. Quality is the totality of features and characteristic of a product that bears on its ability to satisfy the stated or implemented needs. And what is quality? It is user based in the eyes of the beholder. Second, manufacturer based, right the first time. Third, product based, that is precise measurement, that is quality. If you want any additional practical definition, you can get add here 3 basic definition for user based, manufacturer based and product based. User based in the eyes of the beholder. Second, manufacturing based, right the first time. And third, product based, precise measurement, that is quality work. Then dimensions of quality, we get different dimensions of quality: performance, aesthetics, special features for convenience and high tech. Then safety, reliability, durability, pre-received quality and service after sale, that is product. Same for all dimensions of quality. Then what is importance of quality? Lower cost, that is less labor, rework and scrap material, means less cost. Second, motivated employees. Third, market share. Fourth, reputations, product reputations. Fifth, international competitiveness and revenue generation increase. Ultimately, our goal, that is finally revenue generated. Importance of quality, we get 6 points. First, low cost, that is less labor, rework and scrap. Second, motivated employees. Third, market shares. Fourth, reputation. Fifth, international competitiveness. And last, ultimate our goals, that is revenue generated. In how to increase revenue generated quarterly or yearly. Then quality control, it is the operational technique and activities that are used to fulfillment requirement for quality. First we get what is quality, then quality, how to quality control. It is the operational technique and activities that are used to fulfillment of requirement for quality. Then different phase, quality assurance. Quality assurance is all systematic and planned action which are necessarily to provide adequate confidence that a product or service will satisfy the given requirement for quality. Quality assurance is systematic planned action which are necessarily adequate or provide confidence that a product or service will satisfy the given requirement for quality. Got it? What is quality assurance? Quality assurance is all systematic and planned action which are necessary to provide adequate confidence that a product or service will satisfy the given requirement for quality. Then we get what is quality management. Quality management is a systematic set of operating procedures. It is the systematic set of operating procedure which is company wide, documented, implemented, and maintained while ensuring the growth of business. Quality management is systematic and operating procedure which is company wide, documented, implemented, and maintained, which ensuring the growth for business and consist manner. Then we get total quality management. First we get what is quality management, that is QM, we can denote it by, and then second we get TQM, that is total quality management. Total quality management, it is the latest approach. It is the process of individual or organizational development, the purpose of which is to increase the level of satisfaction of all the stakeholders. So it is the latest approach, total quality. It is the process of individual and organizational development. The purpose of increase the level of satisfaction of all the stakeholders. Then we get what is quality management and quality assurance. That is the prime focus for our main point, quality management and quality assurance. That is the difference for quality management and quality assurance. So first we get basic concept of quality management, that is definitions or quality assurance and management. Quality management is achieving the results that satisfy the requirement for quality, and quality assurance, that is demonstrating that the requirement for quality have been achieved. Second point is quality management for motivated by stakeholders internal to the organizational, especially the organizational management, where quality assurance is motivated by stakeholders, especially customers, and external to the organizations. Goal is to satisfy the all stakeholders, that is quality management, and goal is to satisfy all customers, that is quality assurance. Then quality management, effective, efficient, and continually improvement overall quality related performance is the intended result, and quality assurance is confidence the organizational product result. It is the scope covers all activity that affect the total quality related, that is quality management, and where quality assurance is scope of demonstrations covers active and directly or quality. That is the basic concept and difference for the quality management and quality assurance. Quality management, it depends all the for stakeholders, and quality assurance is depends for the customers. That is our basic topic today, quality reliability. For what is quality, we get then dimensions of quality, then importance of quality, we get quality controls, quality assurance, quality management, TQM total quality management, and main basic difference for quality management and quality assurance. That is our first basic introduction of quality, that is concept, different dimensions, quality control, quality assurance, quality management. Then what is quality and basic concept of all quality we are cleared. If any doubt, please comment the like section, subscribe. That is all our basic concept of for quality. Thank you.